Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you the Soccer League table app that I did for my final project. So what you see here is based on match result ranking soccer app. So these are my final points for each team, and I'm going to demonstrate why we get this final points here that you see here. So first thing is first, we have the ranking rules. The rules is when two team wins, when one team wins it's 3 points, when they draw it's 1 point, when they lose it's 0 points. So teams with equal points share the same rank, and the tied teams are listed alphabetically. Then we go to our match results. Inside our match result, we have our match one, we have a draw. And remember that when we said the matches are draw, we get 3 points. So we go to our second match. In our second match, we have Tarantulas and FC Awesome. They have 1-0, which means that they will get 0 points, I think. And then Lions and FC Awesome, they will get um they will get 1 point because it's draw. Then we have Tarantulas again and Manchester United. Because we have one team that won, they get 3 points, and Manchester United lost, so they get zero. And then we have Lions versus the Grouches. The Lions is the one that won, so they get 3 points. So we're gonna look at our point summary. So in our Tarantulas, we have 6 points, combining with all the points, all the matches that they won. So they won the match 3 plus 3, which gave them 6 points. Which gave them 6 points. Remember, our rules say when one team wins, they get 3 points. When two team wins, they get 1 point, and when uh, they get zero, when it's a loss, they get 0 points. So with our tarantulas, both of them they won, so they get 6 points, 3 plus 3, which gives them 6 points. Then we go to our lions, which gives them 4 points. Why do we get 4 points? Because they got the 3 points here, and they got 1 point from the team that they drawed from Awesome versus FC Awesome. So 1 plus 3 gives them 4 points, right? Then we go to our Liverpool. Inside our Liverpool, we have two teams that draw the same points, so they will get 1 point. And then we go to our Manchester United. Manchester United, what happened is that they got draw for 1 point here and they lost, so they will only get 1 point. And then we go to FC Awesome. In FC Awesome, what happens is that they also got the same draw points versus the Lions, and they lost from the Tarantulas. So in that point, they will get 1 point also. And then we go to the Grouches. The Grouches, they lost from the Lions, so they get 0 points. And then we go to our match calculations. So what happens is that Liverpool versus Manchester United, they get 1 point each, right? Then we go to our match 4 result. What happens is that Tarantulas versus Manchester United, Tarantulas won. So Tarantulas will go with 3 points, and Manchester will go with 0 points because they lost. Then we go to our fifth match. Inside our fifth match, what happens is that the Lions versus the Grouches, it is the Lions that won, and the Lions get the 3 points and the Grouches get 0 points. Then we go to our final league ranking. So the final points that we get is Tarantulas get 6 points and Lions get 4 points, and FC Awesome get 1 point, and Liverpool get 1 point, and Manchester United 1 point, and Grouches a 0 point. So the key logic is that the ranking logic is correct based on the points, but alphabetical order as shared ranked handling should be enforced in the compared to method. So I'm going to go through the code with you, what happens here. So here is just my framing style that you saw on my GUI, and I have the title that has the Soccer League rankings, and I have the ranking teams and the points. Then I have the league table. Inside my league table, what is happening, I'm declaring a class, and I have the load matches. Inside my load matches, let me show you what happens. I'll just clear this table and I'm going to show you how we get to our desktop and import our match.txt. So I'm going to clear this table and I'm going to click the load matches matches file, which is sent from the event listener button. So it's an event listener button. It refers us to the file explorer, and then we can go to our desktop. Then we go to our match.txt. Let's look for it. Match.txt. Where is it? Let's just look for it. Okay, let's go to our desktop. Click there. Okay, we're almost there. Match.txt. There, we found it. As you can see, guys, we have our final points. We have our tarantulas that has 6 points, and we have our lions that have 4 points, and our FC Awesome that have 1 point, and Liverpool 1 point, and Manchester United 1 point, and Grotches 0 point, as explained in the summary how the calculations work. So now I'm going to go to my code. As you can see, I have my match.txt. I'm going to open my match.txt inside of this. I'll just go to my regular app and we go to our clean app. It's this one. So I'm going to open this so that you can see what I did. So I created a txt document file, and this is what I did. Manchester United versus Arsenal, they got 3 points, and then Liverpool versus Chelsea, they got 2 points, draw, and Arsenal, and all of that. Okay, and then Liverpool versus Manchester United is 3-1, Arsenal 5-0, Manchester United 5-0. And then after that, I loaded the match results. So it gets the team. We have the get methods that get each team, and it gets the rankings of the specific team. Then I have the styling for helper for displaying teams in a formatted table like a string. It gets the formatted table, and I'm setting the header also. Then error redeem file if we don't find the match.txt. Let me see what is short. I have the buttons for my load matches. As you can see, I'm setting the colors, I'm setting the clear button, and then I have the action event listeners. Inside my action event listeners, they listen for the click. When I click for a certain, let's say I want a desktop, they click for that specific desktop, and I can load my match.txt nicely, and it's imported in my app. Then I have the style button, I have the load file, I have the update table, and everything is running accordingly. I thank you for viewing my YouTube channel, and I hope you learned something from this video. Hope you click that subscribe button to view more of my dope videos.